Swagbucks surveys usually pay more per completed task than search rewards. But surveys also disqualify you often, which makes search more consistent, even if it earns less overall. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how search and surveys compare, which one pays better in real use, and how to balance both so you don't waste time on low-return tasks. Swagbucks search rewards are simple but low-paying. You earn small SB points just for using the Swagbucks search engine during normal activity. It's designed to reward frequent usage, not high-value earnings. That means it works more like a background bonus rather than a serious income source. The upside is consistency. Search rewards don't require qualifications, surveys, or approvals. You just use the search tool and occasionally get credited. But the trade-off is that each reward is small, so even regular use builds slowly. Surveys work in a completely different way. Each survey is tied to advertisers who want specific user opinions, so the payout per completed survey is usually higher than anything you'll get from search. The issue is qualification. Many surveys screen users early based on demographics, behavior, or past answers, which means you can spend time and still not get credited. This is where most users feel the difference. Search feels predictable but slow. Surveys feel faster when you qualify, but unpredictable when you don't. The real answer to which pays more depends on how you use your time. If you qualify for surveys regularly and complete them fully, surveys will always outperform search in earnings per task. If you rarely qualify or get disqualified early, search ends up feeling more reliable even though it pays less. Another important factor is time efficiency. Search rewards require almost no effort but don't scale. Surveys require more attention and time, but can produce significantly higher returns per completed task. A lot of users make the mistake of sticking only to search because it feels easy. The problem is that ease doesn't equal value, and search alone rarely builds meaningful earnings. The smarter approach is to treat search as passive background activity and use surveys as your main earning driver when you qualify. That way you get steady small gains plus occasional higher payouts instead of relying on one method. To sum it up, surveys generally pay more per task. Search is more consistent but low earning, and the best strategy is combining both instead of relying on just one. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of reward apps without the confusion.